How to manage group expenses on BHIM Payments App. Open the BHIM Payments App. Scroll down to explore more section and select Split Expense. Click on Add New Expense. Note an expense outside BHIM or select one from the history. Select contacts you want to split with and click Next. Add expense details and choose how you want to split it, equally or unequally. Hit Confirm. You have successfully split the expense. But what about settling the expenses? Select the expense and hit Settle. Click on Pay Now. Enter your PIN and you're done. No more switching to other apps for splitting and settling your expenses. BHIM, भारत का अपना पेमेंट्स ऐप.